All right, here we go. Good morning. It's Friday, March the 1st. This is one of my cars here. It's total 2017 Toyota Corolla IM. This is George Jr., Micah Car Care LLC. When I tell you, I rent cars on Toro, and this is one of my babies here, totaled about a week and a half ago. And I'm just letting you see, you rent cars on Toro or on your own, you do not fall in love with the cars, because this is what could happen. It could be totaled at any time. I didn't do it, but I got to protect the identity of one of my renters. You know, I don't want to put nobody on the spot, but hey, and they still doing the investigation, so I got to keep my lips sealed, you know, code of silence for my customers. But this is my baby. I'm just waiting for them to say that it's written off as a total, and wait till they pay it off, and then I go buy me another car and put it back on the platform. I don't know what I'm gonna get my hands into next, but we'll see once it's written off. You know, I don't wanna make no sudden missed calls yet, but this is Micah Car Care LLC, 1106 Blue Hill Ave in Dorchester. Yeah, man, I'm trying to tell you, I never seen a car. Look at the airbags. Airbags come out on the corner of the seats. Man, I'm trying to tell you. Airbags on the side, airbag by the thing. Car only had about 71,000 miles on it. Airbags in the back seat. It's crazy, boy. I don't got the full of what's going on, but oh man, I never seen so many airbags come out on the car yet. I'm glad I wasn't driving. That's all I gotta say. It's crazy, but this is the car. I don't want to bore y'all with the same thing, but I got to get back to the ghetto. I got work to do. But this is Micah Car Care LLC, 1106 Blue Hill Ave in Boston, Dorchester, Mass. 02124. If you need a rental, give me a call at 617-828-2068. Have a good day and peace. Gotta go back to the ghetto.